2 power 99 is divisible by 9, then what is the remainder? You can write 2q power 33 by 2q plus 1. So you can write 2q power 33, this is 2q minus of minus 1. So this is f of x by f of x minus f of a. F of a is the remainder. That's why minus 1. The remainder is minus 1. So minus 1 remainder is not possible. So that's why 9 minus 1, 8. 8 is the remainder. This is the one way. Then alternate way you can take 2 power 99 by 9. So here you can take 2 power 4, 27 into 2 square. So 27 or so 24 2 square because of 2 power 4 into 24 a power m n a power mn. So that's why 2 power 96 into 2 cube. So that is 2 power 99. So should be write 9. That's why. So 2 power 4 16. 16 power 24 by 9 into 2 cube. Should be divisible by 16. 9 ones are 9. So remainder is 7. 7 power 24 into 2 cube by 9. So then next you can write 7 power 24 is greater than to denominator. So that is 7 square or 12. So into 2 cube by 9. So 49. 49 power 12 into 2 cube by 9. So this is 9 5s are 45, remainder is 12. 45 remainder is 4 power 12 into 2 cube by 9. So this is 4 cube power 4 into 2 cube by 9. That is 4 cube means 64. 64 for 4 by 2 cube by 9. 9 7s are 63. The remainder is 1. 1 power 4 into 2 cube by 9. So this is 8 is the remainder. 1 into 2 cube 8. So that's why the remainder is 8. Once again, 2 power 99 is divisible by 9. Then what is the remainder? 2 power 99 is divisible by 9. What is the remainder? So can take 2 power 99 by 9, that is 2 cube power 33, 2 cube plus 1. Should be right. F of x is divisible by f of x minus a. F of a is the remainder. That's why 2 cube power 33, 2 cube plus 1. So here f of x by f of x minus f of a. So f of a is the remainder. That's why minus 1. The remainder is 8. Because of minus 1 remainder not possible. That's why subtract from the remainder. 9 minus 1, 8. So the next another method is 2 power 99. 2 power 99 is divisible by 9. Already told numerator is at least greater than the denominator. That's why 2 power 4 is 16. 16 a power m over power n, a power mn. So that's why 2 power 4 into 24. So that is 16 power 24 by 9. That is 2 cube. 7 power 16 divisible by 9. The remainder is 7. 7 put in here 24 by 9. 2 cube. So here greater than to denominator. That's why 7 square 12. So 2 cube. So 49 power 12 into 2 cube by 9. So here 4 power 12 because of 9 5s are 49 is divisible by 9. 49 is divisible by 9. So 9 5s are 45. The remainder is 4. 4 for 12. 4 for 12 into 2 cube. That is the so here 4 cube power 4. Here 4 cube power 4. So 64 for 4 into 2 cube. 64 is divisible by 9. The remainder is 1. 1 for 4 into 2 cube. 8. 8 is the remainder. The next point is number of zeros at the end of the factorial. Number of zeros at the end of the factorials. Number of the zeros at the end of the factorial. Suppose number of zeros at the end of the factorials. Number of zeros at the end of factorial. Factorial means 100 into 99 into 98 into 97 into 96 into and so on into 1. Asking 100 factorial at the end of the zeros. If you want, should be multiplied 100 into 99, then 98, and 97, and 96, and the result will be multiplied by 95. This gives to answer at the end of the zeros. This is one way. Alternative, the shortcut is 100 should be divisible by 5. 520 is 10x, 5 4s are. So, number of zeros are, if you want number of zeros, if you want number of zeros, should be added 20 plus 4, that is 24 zeros. The shortcut is should be divisible by 5 up to below 5. So 520 is 5 4, 20 plus 4, 24. Here 20 plus 4, that is 24 zeros. Okay, and next class lo malla kalutam. Okay, thank you.